If you're seeing the message, "This site can't be reached" in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps that will help you fix this problem quickly. Most of the time, this error appears because of a bad internet connection, incorrect DNS settings, or a temporary issue with Chrome. So let's start with the easiest fixes first. Begin by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try opening any other website to confirm. If other sites also don't open, restart your modem or Wi-Fi router. If the internet is fine, the next step is to clear your browser's cache. Sometimes old or corrupted data stops websites from loading. Clearing the cache refreshes Chrome and often solves the issue right away. If the error still appears, reset your DNS settings. Your device may be using old or incorrect DNS information, and resetting it helps Chrome reconnect properly. After resetting DNS, reopen Chrome and try loading the website again. You can also try switching to a public DNS like Google DNS. This helps when your local DNS server is slow or not responding. Using a reliable DNS often makes websites load faster and more consistently. Another fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. Sometimes a VPN blocks websites or slows down the connection, causing the "site can't be reached" error. Turn it off and check again. If none of these work, try restarting your computer. A simple restart refreshes your network settings and Chrome processes, and most connection problems get fixed instantly. And finally, it's possible that the website you're trying to open is down for everyone, not just you. In that case, you can only wait until the website comes back online, and that's how you can fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If this solution helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more easy, step-by-step tutorials.